केवल पढ़ते हैं टेक्स्ट बुक और उसके साथ देखिए। When we start our rational number, it starts with our some thoughts. What we have to learn in our standard 6 and 7. That is most important to us. That is most important to us. As when we were in class 6, we have to read as the natural number. What we are reading since our starting. We are reading it since our starting, and when we have to reach in standard 6, teacher identify that it is our natural number. Natural number that starts from 1, 2, 3, and so on 9. So on 9. After that, with some calculation problem, we have to read our next issues. When we got the issue, then we have to identify the whole number. Whole number, that whole number, when we admitted 0 in this number, and that starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, that's for 9. After that whole number, there are so many problems in our calculation, then we have to identify integers. We have to find out integers. What are integers? Integers are the mathematical identification or mathematical calculation of or mathematical thinking of our mathematicians. And they said there are some numbers which are smaller than 0, and they show us that minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and plus 1, 2, 3. We have to say that we are running to the our in an order. Natural number, then whole number, then we have to read integers. After integers, what we have to find out? There are also many problems. There are also many problems in our life in the base of this number. Our mathematician find out as a rational number. What is rational number? We can say rational number is a numerical presentation that may be written in the base of p by q. Any number that we can write in p by q, so our that number is our rational number. But here is one condition. Our q is a denominator. So q is not equal to 0, because q is not equal to 0. Otherwise, some numbers may be, but our q must not be 0. So this is our natural number. In particular way, we have to read so more. We have to learn so more. Now, we have to read our basic operations in mathematics. There are 4 basic operations in mathematics, as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. subtract, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What is the relation between this? When we add them, when we subtract them, when we multiply them, when we divide them. We have four mathematical operations as addition, and second is our subtraction, and next is our multiply, and next is our division, multiplication, and next is our, if you take care from here, we can identify these, and next is division, and after that, these are our four process. One, addition, second is subtraction, third is multiply, and fourth is division. We have to already read it. We have already read it. And now we have to read properties. Now we have to learn our properties. What are the properties in this? We have to learn it. So we have to erase from here. Now we are going to read about the properties in the numbers. Otherwise, they are rational number, they are whole number, natural number, otherwise. So we have to read the properties in our section, in our problem. So what is the property? That's number one is the closure property. Because in your first chapter, there are so many properties you have to teach. You have to learn. You have to learn. I number one. One is the closure property. Closure property. What is closure property? Means the addition of some two numbers, as otherwise they are rational or natural or something else. A plus B, that is when we added, which may be produce us our. लाइव चल रहा है रिकॉर्ड लाइव चल रहा है दोनों चल रहा है Now, add a plus b equal to, add a equal to 3 and b equal to 2, then it is our 5. So it is follow up our closure property. Second is the cumulative property. We have to know cumulative property or commutative property. B can say commutative property. Commutative property. What is the commutative property? We have to know it. Commutative means we have to change the order. Add a plus b equal to b plus a. If it is identified as this number, then we say these also follow the commutative property in the calculation. Commutative property in the calculation. As 3 plus 2 equal 2 plus 3. And it gives us the same answer. So it is our commutative property. Now next we have to read the associative property. Our associative property runs in more than two numbers. It's associative. Associative created from association. Associative property from association. Association means grouping. If we have one number, two number or three number, and here a plus b plus c, we have three numbers, and next a plus b plus c. But here is the association with first time a and b, and second time it by association with b and c. If it takes equal at every time, this is our associative property. We have to know. Otherwise, our numbers follow up or not. Follow up or not. But we have to identify these properties. अगर हम यहाँ numbers write करते हैं, then we have to say 2 plus 3 plus 4. एक ग्रुप यहाँ क्रिएट किया. नेक्स्ट 2 plus 3 plus 4. एक ग्रुप हमने यहाँ क्रिएट कर लिया. ओके. और जब हमने यहाँ ग्रुप क्रिएट किया, दैट टाइम हमारे लिए क्या प्रॉब्लम आ गई कि हम अब यहाँ ये देख लेते हैं कि हमारा जो इक्वेशन है हमारे लिए प्रॉपर क्रिएट हो जाता है. अगर हम पहले यहाँ एसोसिएशन को फॉलो अप करते हुए इसको ऐड करते हैं तो 5 plus 4. अब when we follow the association, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, and finally we got number 9 as the solution. So this is our associative property. And next we have to read our other property, but take care, this is our only addition. Try it with subtraction, try it with multiply, try it with division, and so many processes. When we follow with our other properties, this is our addition. Now we have to try the subtraction. What is the result for this? Subtraction is a minus b equal what? 3 minus 2 equal 1. It is our closure property, but we have to take care. And in our other number, right, as 8 minus 15, then we have to write minus 7. This is our integral values. तो तो हम यहाँ इंटीजर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. बट कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, व्हाट इज आवर कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी? a minus b equal b minus a. So of it, this will support to this rule. 3 minus 2 equal 2 minus 3. Otherwise, what we find? These are the same answers? No. 3 minus 2 equal 1, yet 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So these solutions are not equal. So subtraction does not follow the commutative property. Subtraction does not follow the commutative property, and we have to try with association or associative property. If we try with associative property, then we have to say, if we have to try with associative property, then we have to say, जिसे भी यहाँ a माइनस बी माइनस सी, और फिर यहाँ लिखते हैं a माइनस बी माइनस सी. What will we find out here? We have not to change our numbers. Add 2 minus 3 minus 4 equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4. This is our associative property. They associated to first two numbers, and in the second step they associated with last two digits or last two numbers. Then what is the result with us? We can find out here 2 minus 3 minus 1 and minus 4, and here 2 minus under bracket, here minus 3 minus 4 1. When we open the bracket, 2 and minus minus plus and 1 minus, it is 5, and next step we have to use 3. What we understand? So associative property does not accept the subtraction. We have to learn here. So these properties does not accept the subtraction, and like that these properties must not accept the division. Also follow, they accept addition. They accept addition and multiply. They accept addition and multiply, yet not accept subtraction and division. These two words are not supported in the process. So next we have to read here. Then what we have to learn? Identify this. Now we are going to learn our chapters. This is our basics in this chapter. And then how do we find out it and how do we solve it? As it is said, if we try to solve your exercise, or there are some problems in try these, then how do we solve it? When we have to fill up the try these, as our page number 4, there is a try these, also page number 6, try these, and also the page number 9, try these, and so further. We have to read and learn these properties according to integer, according to natural number, according to whole number, and according to rational number. So these numbers are also helpful to us. Now we are ready to learn our chapters, our exercise. When our exercise, it is said, using appropriate properties, find out what is the solution for this. Now we have to read and write our problems. As our first problem is, minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. So we have to write here exercise 1.1 and question number 1. It is said, solve by using properties. Solve by using property. Add minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 multiplied 1 by 6. So we have to solve this. Now we have to read the commutative property. We have to confirm the commutative property. This is our positive marks. This is our positive marks. And next, we have to say minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 multiply 1 by 6 and we create 5 by 2 at the last term. Means this is our first, second and third term. There are 3 terms. And now we have to solve it. We are seeing this 3 by 5 is our common. By using the commutative property, 3 by 5 is common, and then we take 3 by 5 common and multiplied under bracket. Minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 and plus 5 by 2. This is our step. This is our distributive property. This is our distributive property and this is our commutative property. And now we have to solve it. Now we have to solve it. And 3 by 5 multiply. We have to multiply 3 and 6. So it is multiplied by 2, then it becomes 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Minus 1 by 6 प्लस 5 by 2. अब इसके हम नेक्स्ट में ही लिखते हैं बेटा, लोअर में नहीं जाते हैं, तो यहाँ लिखते हैं 3 by 5 मल्टीप्लाई अंडर ब्रैकेट. अब ये दोनों निगेटिव हैं, सो वी हैव टू ऐड देम. माइनस 4 and minus 1 minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 and next 5 by 2. 5 by 2. And next, when we open our under bracket or multiply, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and that is multiplied. Minus and minus, minus plus, minus 1 1 ja 1 and 2 1 ja 2 plus 5 by 2. Plus 5 by 2. And now we have to care for other. Next, our denominators are same, so we have to subtract them. Minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is subtracted. 5 minus 1 equal to 4 and by 2. So we get the answer 2 as a solution. This is our short way of the calculation. What we have to done? What we have to done? We have to see this. And so like that. We have also our second problem in this way. Our second problem is 2 by 5 plus minus 3 by 7 under bracket minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. We have to understand this one question more, and then we have to proceed others. This is our question number 2. Question number 1 and its part second. So we have to read our second part. Second question is, we have to write here our question is 2 by 5 multiply minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 and multiply 2 by 5. So we are seeing here, we have our three terms, 1, 2 and 3. But what is common? But we have to see what is common in our problem. What is common in our problem? So we have to care for it. As our commutative property, we have to write and we have to change here. 2 by 5 multiply minus 3 by 7, फिर यहाँ से लिख लेते हैं प्लस 1 by 14 multiply 2 by 5 and next minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. This is our commutative property. This is our commutative property. Right. This is our commutative property. So we have to write here. So we have to write here. And now, this is 2 by 5 is common at all. हमारे लिए ये कॉमन है. So we have to write 2 by 5 multiply minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now we have to solve it. We have to multiply 7 by 2. 7 by 2, that denominator may be equal. So we have to create the denominator equal. So 2 by 5 multiply minus 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 by 14. Okay, and minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6. We may solve it also. चलो भी solve करें. अब यहाँ minus 6 and plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 5 multiply 6 plus 6 minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5, and by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now solve. 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 7 ja 14. And next यहां सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. अब यहां इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. चलो हम आगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिख लेते हैं. तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस प्लस का माइनस 1 1 जा 1 बाई 7 1 जा 7 माइनस ये 1 1 जा 1 एंड 2 2 जा 4 माइनस 1 1 जा 1 and 2 2 जा 4. सो सेकेंड स्टेप, इसके नेक्स्ट हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे देखो, our denominators are prime numbers. We have to read. So this is our prime number. So we have to use cross multiplication. So 7 4 ja 28 minus 4 1 ja 4 minus 7 1 ja 7, that is equal to minus 11 by 28. 11 by 28, and so it is our solution for the given problem by using the properties of commutative properties, and in second step we have to use distributive property, commutative property and distributive property. And so now we are completed our question number 1.